Don't forget, they don't care. Nobody really cares. His boss is the mayor, and the mayor doesn't care.
Yeah.
You know, unless he's not going to get reelected.
This is Robin.
Hi, Robin. I'm Danny. I'm looking at some space here.
Lily legs, Lily. I cannot find the words to truly express my joy at the rekindling of our association.
Bullshit. What's the job?
It's commercial space. I believe that the authority owns the space, and I'm interested in leasing the space, if all of that makes sense.
Yeah, that is a property that we own. Let me connect you with the property manager.
And who is that?
That would be Jamie. And hold on one second. I will transfer you over to him.
Thanks.
Good afternoon. This is Jamie.
Hey, Jamie, my name is Danny D'Angelo. I'm interested in leasing some space, and the authority owns it. There's a laundromat there, and that's my business. That's what I do. So we were out scouting new locations and saw that the authority owns this. I don't want to make any assumptions, but if you're not interested in running a commercial laundry or don't have a tenant there, we'd like to throw our hat in the ring, if that makes sense.
Sure. So we do currently have a tenant there, but I'm actually about to go into a meeting about that building with supervisors and what their future plans are. So yeah, I can definitely bring that up. What is a good number to reach you at about that?
My cell phone number is the only one you need, 480. And so the authority, I didn't even know you guys own commercial space, but how would I? You have commercial tenants, which makes sense.
There might be a legal precedent. Of course. Land snatching. Let's see. Land.
Just to say it, I would renew all of this equipment. My partner and I would spend the money. So we become a very different tenant, whether it's privately owned or state or authority owned. Just FYI, I can send you an email about it too. I'm looking to make money, but I don't buy the laundromats that we own. You know, obviously, if you're looking to demolish the building or put a high-rise there or turn it into parking, there's nothing for us to talk about. But if you want a very good long-term laundry tenant, that's us. And if your tenant that's there is good, you know, God bless. I'm not here to try to ruin anybody's long-term lease. Let us know. You've got my cell phone number. Good luck in the meeting.
All right, will do. Thanks so much, Danny.
So you've got a guy who's got a government job who rubber stamps all day long. And all I'm trying to do is put in his head that, you know, it would behoove you to go into that meeting and say, look, I've got somebody that's going to run this laundromat very differently. But don't forget, they don't care. Nobody really cares. His boss is the mayor, and the mayor doesn't care, you know, unless he's not going to get reelected.
Immediately! Harumph! I didn't get a harumph out of that guy.
Give the governor harumph.
You watch your
Gentlemen, please rest your sphincters.
well put.
Thank you very much, sir. As Attorney General, I can assure you that a suitable sheriff will be found to restore the peace in Rock Ridge. Meeting is adjourned. Oh, I am sorry, sir. I didn't mean to overstep.
Go put the long form notes in there. If I hear back from either one, I'll let you know.
Great. Talk to you later, Danny.
I'm pretty sure this hot water heater's got a few more good years left in it.